How does development rights transfer work for farmland? Imagine owning a beautiful piece of farmland and being able to turn part of its potential into cash without losing the land itself. That's what transfer of development rights is all about. It's a way to protect farmland while still allowing some growth in other areas. Local governments decide which land is best kept as farmland or open space. These are called sending areas. They also mark zones where building more homes or businesses makes sense, called receiving areas. Each farmland parcel gets a set number of development rights based on its size and local rules. These rights are like certificates that say how much development could happen on that land. Landowners in the sending areas can choose to sell these rights to developers or investors. When they do, they sign a legal agreement called a conservation easement or a restrictive covenant. This agreement makes sure the land stays farmland forever and cannot be developed later. Developers who buy these rights can then use them to build more houses or bigger projects in the receiving zones. For example, if a developer wants to build a large apartment complex, they might buy extra development rights to increase the number of units they can put on a smaller lot. They submit their plans to the local planning department, showing how the rights will be used to increase density. Once approved, the developer can build more than normally allowed under existing zoning rules. The transfer process involves legal paperwork and approval from local authorities. The farmland's legal status is changed by recording the easement in public records. This easement permanently restricts future development, ensuring the farmland stays protected. For farmland investors, understanding this process is key because it can boost land value. Buying or selling development rights creates a financial benefit without changing the land's agricultural use. In simple terms, development rights transfer works by separating the right to develop land from the land itself. These rights are bought and sold, helping to preserve farmland while directing growth to areas better suited for development. It's a smart way to balance farmland conservation with community expansion, giving landowners and investors a strategic tool to work with.